creamy, thick, and luscious. These coconut green bananas are worth trying because they're super delicious, made with very basic ingredients, and in a matter of 20 minutes, you'll have your coconut green bananas on your table, ready to serve for your family or your guests. To make these delicious coconut green bananas, you're going to start off by peeling your green bananas, then placing in a bowl with water so that the green bananas don't oxidize. Cut the bananas into bite-sized pieces ready for cooking, and then you're going to prep the rest of the ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box. Because I've already prepped up all my ingredients, I'm going to get straight into cooking by placing a pan over medium flame and adding in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to add in your onions. Then you're going to saute until the onions have a very nice golden brown color. Once your onions are starting to have that nice golden brown color, you're going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger. And this is 5 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. Then you're going to cook until the garlic and ginger is very fragrant and has a very lovely golden brown color as well. Now that my onions are ready, I'm going to add in carrots because they take a while to cook. Stir in the carrots, and then I'm going to be adding in a few spices which are going to add in so much flavor to our coconut green bananas. So you're going to add in some garlic powder, cumin, black pepper, paprika together with 2 seasoning cubes. Stir in the seasoning. Add in tomatoes and tomato paste. Add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes and carrots can cook through together with the seasoning. So this is going to take around 2 to 3 minutes over medium flame. Be sure to crush your seasoning cubes into the pan. And because seasoning cubes contain salt, I'm going to wait before adding in more salt to my dish so that I can perfect. Check on my tomatoes and they're cooking through. So next I'm going to add in my green bananas. Stir in the green bananas, and as you can see, the tomato sauce is looking so delicious. So at this point, you're going to add in 1.5 cups of water so that the green bananas can cook through. Stir in. So I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil, and then I'm going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in more salt to perfect my delicious coconut green bananas. Once you stir in the water into the green bananas, you're going to cover and let this cook for around 5 to 10 minutes until the green bananas are soft and very tender. Don't worry about the water because it's going to evaporate, and then you're going to have some thick and delicious coconut green bananas. When the green bananas are cooked halfway, you're going to add in a cup of coconut milk and stir in, and just look how creamy the green bananas are looking. Remember, you're using medium-low flame to cook your green bananas, so you're going to cover and let the green bananas cook for another 5 to 10 minutes so that they can soften up and cook through, sipping in the coconut milk and all the flavorful spices. So check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in more salt. After 9 minutes of cooking your green bananas, they are super soft and tender on the inside. As you can see, that's how they look like. So you're going to add in some green capsicum for some color and flavor. Cook the capsicum for around a minute. Please don't lose the crunch. And after 1 minute, when the capsicum is still crunchy, you're going to garnish with coriander, lots of coriander. Stir in. Once you're done cooking your coconut green bananas, they're going to be looking so awesome and delicious. I've already plated my green bananas and added a little bit more coconut milk for that coconut flavor. So this recipe is simple and easy, as you've seen, and the outcome is just amazing. And I hope you'll be trying out this easy recipe.